No human touched this portfolio today. The bot lost $4.57. Let me show you why. Today it sold SGOV, one order in total, all picked by the algorithm. For context, the bot's account typically moves about 3.5% a day, so today's 0.1% was a quiet, ordinary session. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,617.19, up $1,117.19, that's plus 31.9% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 4 track days the bot has been green 33% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 4.9% below its peak of $4,852.76. Inside the book, 34% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock-picking engine, running at 34% invested. Top holdings are on screen. At just 34% invested, the bot is playing defense, it's holding a meaningful cash cushion rather than forcing trades. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. The portfolio runs on 2 engines. About a third sits in a dual momentum ETF sleeve that rotates across stocks, bonds, gold and commodities. The rest is the stock-picking book. They lean on each other, so when one zigs, the other can zag, that's the whole point of diversifying. Tomorrow the algorithm does it again. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.